The kitchen looks like a storm just passed through.
I was planning to clean it before you got home.
The dishes have been sitting there since morning.
I had some homework to finish first and lost track of time.
The sink is full, and the towels are stained again.
I forgot to wash them after cooking lunch.
You also left laundry on the floor near the oven.
I was sorting the clothes before putting them in the machine.
Sorting is fine, but leaving them in the kitchen is not.
I wanted to vacuum the living room first and then do the laundry.
It feels like you always start but never finish.
Sometimes I get distracted with other things.
I need you to manage your time better.
I am trying to make a proper schedule for chores and study.
A schedule works only when you follow it.
I know, and I'm learning to stay more focused.
You used to keep this place neat and tidy.
Things got busier with my school projects lately.
School is important, but home responsibilities matter too.
I understand, and I will balance both from now on.
Look at the counter. It's covered in crumbs.
I made a sandwich before class and forgot to wipe it.
That's how small messes turn into big ones.
I'll clean the counter right after putting dishes in the sink.
You also spilled something near the fridge.
It was juice from breakfast. I'll mop it up soon.
I hope soon means now.
Yes, I'll grab the mop once I load the washer.
The vacuum has been out all day too.
I used it in the morning and didn't put it away yet.
You should return things after using them.
I'll remember that and keep the space organized.
The kitchen isn't the only messy spot today.
I know, my room still needs to be cleaned too.
You promised to clean it last weekend.
I got caught up finishing an assignment.
Excuses don't make the house cleaner.
You're right. Actions are better than excuses.
How about we set a cleaning time together?
That would help me stay on track.
Good. Maybe Saturday morning works.
Saturday morning sounds perfect.
You can start with laundry and kitchen first.
That will make the biggest difference right away.
I'll help you if you actually stick to it.
Having help will make it easier and faster.
Remember, teamwork keeps the home peaceful.
I like when we work together, it feels good.
You've grown up enough to share responsibility.
I want to show I can handle it.
Then prove it by keeping things in order.
I'll do that, and you'll see the change soon.
The dishes also need to be washed by hand.
I'll wash them once the laundry starts.
Please use less detergent this time.
I'll measure it carefully, not just pour it in.
The trash bin looks full too.
I'll take it out before dinner.
And the recycling box needs sorting.
I'll check it and separate the bottles and paper.
That's the attitude I want to see.
I feel better when everything looks clean.
It also makes the home smell fresher.
Yes, and it helps me think clearly too.
When the space is messy, it causes stress.
I notice that it makes me feel restless.
Then let's make tidiness a daily habit.
I can set small cleaning goals each day.
That's smart, like 10 minutes after dinner.
That sounds easy to follow and not boring.
Cleaning a little every day keeps order.
And it saves me from big weekend chores.
You finally understand the secret.
It took me some time, but I got it now.
Good habits take effort in the beginning.
I'm ready to make that effort.
Your effort makes me proud.
I want you to feel proud of me too.
You just need consistency, not perfection.
I'll stay consistent and not give up halfway.
The family will notice the change.
That will make everyone happier.
I'll remind you gently if I see clutter again.
A reminder helps, not criticism.
Deal, we'll keep it supportive.
I like when we work as a team.
Teamwork builds trust at home.
And it keeps arguments away.
Arguments come from ignoring small things.
Now I'll pay attention before it gets worse.
You can also make a list on the fridge.
A checklist will help me remember tasks.
That's how you can track progress.
I'll add boxes to tick after finishing.
Ticking boxes feel satisfying.
It really does, like achieving something small.
That's how responsibility feels.
It feels good to take responsibility.
You sound more mature now.
I feel more responsible than before.
Maybe growing up is about learning balance.
I agree. Balance makes life smoother.
So, balance school, chores, and rest.
I'll plan time for all three each day.
Don't forget to rest too.
Rest helps me stay productive.
You can listen to music while cleaning.
That always makes cleaning fun.
I do that when I clean my desk.
Then try it with laundry too.
I'll make a playlist for housework time.
That's a great idea for motivation.
We can both use that playlist.
That would make chores feel like a team game.
Now you're turning cleaning into fun.
Fun keeps me consistent with tasks.
You've learned something valuable today.
Yes, keeping things clean means keeping peace.
I woke up early today because I wanted to make breakfast for us.
That sounds lovely because I enjoy starting my day with something warm.
I packed your school bag carefully since I wanted you to feel prepared.
I appreciate that because it helps me stay calm during the day.
I noticed you looked tired this morning, so I made your favorite tea.
That made me feel relaxed because the warm cup always comforts me.
I planned a simple lunch for you because you mentioned feeling hungry early.
I feel grateful because you always remember the little things.
I placed your homework on the table so you could work peacefully.
I feel focused because having everything ready makes studying easier.
I washed your uniform earlier because you said you wanted it clean for class.
I feel confident because clean clothes help me feel fresh.
I checked your timetable again since you talked about a busy day.
I feel supported because your effort makes my schedule smoother.
I kept your water bottle filled because staying hydrated helps you stay active.
I feel cared for because the small routines make my day better.
I arranged your books neatly so you could find everything quickly.
I feel organized because the tidy space helps me think clearly.